Coca-Cola, a well-known non-alcohol beverage company, was founded in 1892, and it is the most valuable soft drink brand. Coca-Cola operates in more than 200 countries and territories, employed about 79,000 employees, and cooperated with more than 30 million retailers in 2021. There are three parts of its manufacturing systems in terms of its operation pattern for Coca-Cola. The first component is the concentrate, which is sold to bottling companies worldwide. The bottling companies hold territorially exclusive contracts with Coca-Cola and are independently owned, and they also have milling suppliers to ensure a stable supply of other materials, such as sugar. Finally, the products are distributed to retailers and more than 2.1 billion daily servings. The technical department of Coca-Cola selects a group of approved suppliers by their geographical location, scale, equipment level, management level, and bottling plants. Can only purchase raw materials from these approved suppliers, and with the primary condition for suppliers selecting the quality of the raw materials. Other factors can be accordingly relocated in terms of the most control. Coca-Cola manages its supply chain under a concession contract approach, which consists of concentrate manufacturers, bottlers, distributors, retailers, and consumers, forming a supply chain management strategy in which Coca-Cola controlled the manufacture of concentrates, and other links of the chain were regulated according to the market. By using this approach to manage their supply chain network, the positioning helps Coca-Cola gain and maintain its market share with a relatively small amount of money. Sadly, Coca-Cola also understands the importance of locating its plants in the right places. For example, Coca-Cola prefers to buy locally since it streamlines the supply chain and necessitates the establishment of manufacturing facilities near the sugar beet farms. The faster sugar is delivered to the processing facilities, the fewer hazards there are across the supply chain. Besides, there are many new technologies are introduced into the Coca-Cola supply chain management. For example, the blockchain currently demonstrates the use of new technologies in the supply chain and to optimize processes. Coca-Cola HBC implemented the industry-proven UB Max solution as peak. The SAP production and warehouse management systems were connected to the solution to deliver order data. In this manner, the status of each order is automatically and simultaneously updated in the system. With these new technologies, Coca-Cola is well positioned to improve communication and worker productivity throughout the supply chain, resulting in a superior supply chain. Slash 7. Inventory management is also a very significant field that Coca-Cola company pay attention to. So this part, we will introduce how Coca-Cola company manages the inventory well, maintaining an appropriate inventory and giving full utilization to the free effect of inventory, and also significant to strengthen Coca-Cola's competitiveness. Firstly, Coca-Cola use 101 model to improve on demand forecast accuracy in order to minimize inventory costs and improve service levels. In addition to the sales system, Coca-Cola also has a sales forecasting system to analyze while developing demand and operation plans based on inventory and sales at any time. As business representatives continue to deepen their relationships with the market, Coca-Cola launched the 101 sales model in which branch companies sign contracts with some small wholesalers who have certain skills and deliver capacity and develop them as their partners. These 101 customers were mainly transformed from large wholesalers and regional distribution centers, omitting the small and medium-sized wholesalers directly facing the sale terminals. The establishment of this sales mode not only simplifies sales process but also facilitates the grasp of direct customer demand and the changes in the end market. Coca-Cola has established the following forecasting process: segment products based on ABC principles for accurate forecasting of Class A products. Combine sales information on multiple SKUs from the sales department to forecast the products B and C for weeks. Adjust the previous week's expected sales and use the forecasting model to calculate the forecast to get the forecast sales of each SKU. Modify forecast results based on recent promotions, sudden demand, or new pricing strategies, and whether substitute orders are received. Check sales in the end of the week to compare the forecast with the actual figures. Find differences and the reasons and consider whether the forecast model needs to be adjusted. Coca-Cola determines the inventory coverage days and inventory management strategies based on the sales volume of each SKU and according to the principle of ABC products classification. The principles for deleting product classifications are: Class A products account for about 80% to 60% of total sales. Class B products account for about 25% to 50% of total sales. Class C products account for about 50% to 5% of total sales. The company has developed an inventory strategy by operating model. The headquarters forecasting center coordinates the inventory of each branch, and for different 101 customers, it will make 6 days of safety stock according to 5 to 6 times of their average daily sales. In this way, inventory coverage days and inventory turnover are increased. Producers produce based on orders and forecast data, ensuring the smooth operation of Coca-Cola's entire supply chain. Then, Coca-Cola branches use the cost of goods sold or cost of inventory to set up a rough inventory turnover rate, which is a more realistic representation of the actual turnover situation and facilitates comparison with other branches. By determining the inventory turnover rate be achieved, total inventory at a certain sales level can be controlled. Last but not least, we analyze how Coca-Cola manages to purchase and stock raw material in different areas to minimize transaction costs or for profit maximization. In conclusion, throughout their operation, the basic operation management blueprint has been drawn, and further study can consequently be performed. Especially under the impact of COVID-19, Coca-Cola needs better inventory management and supply chain management. Coca-Cola needs better supply chain coordination with bottling companies and other suppliers. This should prevent the bullwhip effect by using an updated operation system, such as an ERP system, to gather accurate data and make better forecasting and achieve better business goals. Okay, thank you.